If you want to create a polished business presentation fast, Gamma AI makes the whole process incredibly simple. In this video, I'll show you how to create a business presentation in Gamma AI step by step so you can go from a blank screen to a professional slide deck in just a few minutes. This is perfect for marketing plans, pitch decks, project updates, strategy meetings, and any other business presentation where you want a clean, modern result without spending hours designing slides manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the website loads, sign into your account. If you're new to Gamma, you can create an account quickly using your email or Google login. After you sign in, you'll land on the Gamma dashboard, which is where you can start a new presentation, document, or web page. Now look for the Create New button and click it. Gamma will show you different options, and from here, select Presentation. This tells Gamma that you want to build a slide deck instead of a document or a different type of visual layout. Choosing the right format at this stage is important because it helps Gamma structure the content correctly from the beginning. Next, type in a business topic for your presentation. For example, you could enter something like marketing plan for a small business. You could also use topics such as sales strategy, business proposal, startup pitch, quarterly report, brand overview, client onboarding, or any other topic related to your work. The more specific your prompt is, the better Gamma can tailor the presentation to your needs. After entering your topic, ask Gamma to make the presentation professional and business focused. This is where you guide the AI toward the right tone and style. You want the slides to feel clean, confident, and suitable for a business audience. You can also mention things like concise bullet points, modern visuals, executive level language, or a professional structure if you want the output to feel even more refined. Once your prompt is ready, Gamma will generate an outline for the presentation. Take a moment to review it carefully. This step matters because the outline is the foundation of the final presentation. Make sure the sections make sense, the flow is logical, and the slides cover the key points you want to present. If something looks off, you can edit the outline before moving forward, which helps you save time later. Now choose a clean business theme. Gamma usually gives you style options, and this is where you can make the deck look more corporate, minimal, or premium, depending on your brand or audience. For business presentations, it's usually best to choose something simple, uncluttered, and easy to read. Clean typography, soft colors, and professional layouts usually work best for most business use cases. After that, click Generate. Gamma will now create your presentation based on your prompt, outline, and chosen theme. In just a short time, you'll have a fully designed business-style presentation with organized sections, visual formatting, and a professional look. This is one of the biggest advantages of Gamma AI because it removes the need to build every slide from scratch. Once the presentation is generated, go through each slide and make small edits if needed. You can refine the text, adjust the structure, replace visuals, and make sure the message matches your goal. This is the best way to get a presentation that feels custom-made rather than generic. If you're presenting to clients, investors, or your team, these little final edits can make a big difference. And that's it. You've now created a business presentation in Gamma AI. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for anyone who wants to create professional slides without spending hours designing them manually. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.